I started off playing Smash in like the basement of my friend's house. We had our own little tournaments.
I got a ping from Danny saying, oh, tryouts are open. I'm like, okay, I gotta do something with this.
The reason I got Rocket League actually was I had this $20 GameStop gift card and it was the only game for $20, so I picked it up and I've just enjoyed it ever since.
I was shopping around for grad schools, got accepted into KU. Here I started looking for, well, is there a League of Legends team?
I barely got onto the team. Like, I was considerably the worst player by far. We're going in. In high school, I didn't think it'd be like this, where I'm playing a video game for KU.
If you enjoy video games already, it's a perfect way to get better. If you enjoy competing, it's a perfect way to incorporate that into your own enjoyment.
I look at college esports as not necessarily a pipeline to the professional scene as traditional athletics is, but rather an alternative to the professional scene. You're still satisfying that urge to compete while also getting an education and living in a college environment.
We did get a coach last year who's like getting his PhD in sports psychology. We'll have a stressful day with school or something. He can just help work us through that.
The people in the esports program are just so different than what I'm used to.
Wow. Oh my gosh, he's so good.
There's a guy on our team that we really like to mess with. His name is Swirlhawk, or also known as George.
It's definitely hectic. Overwatch comms are a lot different than all other games. Everything that you do has to be efficient, whether it's conveying information to your tank to support, or to let the DPS know that we're going for a pinch here to try to get a pick, or we're going to use these ults here. It's very, very hectic and very, very fast-paced.
If we're preparing for something like that, we need to ask what they're actually playing.
My roommate plays Overwatch. He's on the Overwatch team here, and on occasion I'll get on Overwatch, but I'm really bad at it.
We hang out with all the esports teams. It's just like a really tight-knit community.
To have a team work together, go to these tournaments, it's very rewarding and enjoyable.
I'm involved in a custom at KU, and I also volunteer with the CCO. With these things and school and esports, it becomes like a waltz. Like, you have to really place your steps on the right timing.
I'm having the time of my life playing video games and also, going to med school later.
Once you know what you want to do and you have a passion for it, KU is able to embrace that and then point you into a direction that actually allows for you to succeed.